President Ramnath Kovind asserts CAP 2016 is to ensure justice to persecuted minorities of Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan. Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh assures all political party team CAP will not harm Manipur. President Ramnath Kovind asserts CAP 2016 is to ensure justice to persecuted minorities of Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan. Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh assures all political party team that CAP will not harm Manipur. "24-hour general strike caused by Manipur people against Citizenship Amendment Bill Manpack affects normal life in Manipur." CAP 2016 protesters tried to storm residences of Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joykumar and Health Minister L. Jayantakumar. And 9 political parties, including CPI, CPIM and Praja, staged sit-in and take-out protest rally against CAP 2016. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Amid protests against the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 in the Northeast states, President Ramnath Kovind today said that the contentious legislation will give justice to persecuted minorities of Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan through Indian nationality. Addressing the joint sitting of Parliament at the beginning of the budget session, President Ramnath Kovind said that the NDA government was mindful of the prevalence of injustice and deprivation in the society and has been working towards reforming the legal system so as to ensure social and economic justice. He said the Citizenship Amendment Bill will help in securing of Indian citizenship by those victims who were persecuted and were compelled to seek refuge in India. The president maintains that those people cannot be blamed since they were victims of circumstances. While the Congress party on Wednesday said that it will issue a 3-line whip to its members of Rajya Sabha to vote against the bill. The Congress had earlier worked out of the debate in Lok Sabha, which passed the bill during the winter session on January 8.
समाज में व्याप्त हर प्रकार के अभाव और अन्याय को समाप्त करने की संवेदनशील सोच के साथ मेरी सरकार ने सामाजिक और आर्थिक न्याय के लिए कानून व्यवस्था में समुचित परिवर्तन का प्रयास किया है। नागरिकता संशोधन विधेयक के द्वारा उन पीड़ितों को भारत की नागरिकता प्राप्त होने का मार्ग आसान होगा जो प्रताड़ना के कारण पलायन करके भारत आने पर मजबूर हुए हैं। इसमें उनका कोई दोष नहीं है, बल्कि वे परिस्थितियों का शिकार हुए।
Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh has assured that to all the political parties team from Manipur that the Citizenship Amendment Bill will not affect the state and that he will personally look into the matter. And all political parties team from Manipur headed by Honorable Chief Minister Nongthong Biren and Rajya Sabha MP and President BJP Manipur Pradesh Khetramayum Bhavananda met with the Union Home Minister at his Delhi residence today around 12:30 p.m., wherein the team submitted a memorandum calling for the withdrawal of the controversial bill. The Union Home Minister gave the assurance to the team during the meet. The ongoing 24-hour general strike of Manipur people against Citizenship Amendment Bill (MANPAG), a conglomerate of 73 civil society organizations since last midnight, affected normal life in the state. Roads in Imphal Valley bore a deserted look as passenger vehicles remained off the roads except for a few private vehicles. Roads were blocked in many areas by Band supporters. Local residents and Maira Paibis blocked roads in Chalo and Lamlai. Kurai Sarjo Lekai Maira Paibis along with Eastern Popular Club also blocked Imphal Ukrul Road. Band supporters also blocked Imphal Thobal Road, Imphal Tidim Road at some areas. All educational institutions remained closed today. Business transactions in the state came to a standstill as shutters were all down in all major markets across the state. State police is keeping a strict vigil to avoid untoward incidents during the strike. Police barricades are being placed at strategic points in Imphal city, districts and assembly constituencies of the state. No unwanted incident is reported as of now. The general strike will end this midnight. Volunteers of Maira Paibis and local clubs of Kumbong extended solidarity to the 24-hour general strike called by MANPAG. Band supporters burnt the effigies of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren in the peak of the protest, chanting various slogans against the bill and the BJP government at Kumbong Market in Imphal West today. A team of Patsoi police rushed at the spot to contain the situation. Meanwhile, protesters also burnt the effigies of Prime Minister Narendra Modi at Moirangkhom Market. Effigies of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Chief Minister Biren were also burnt by protesters in Khurai, Haikru, Makhong and Hatta in Imphal East District. Band supporters burnt tires and blocked many roads including Tidim Road, Uripok Road, Sagolband and Singjamay roads. Stones were piled on the road to prevent passage. Protesters also staged sit-ins at various places like Kashampat Mutum Lekai, Kashampat Thokchom Lekai, Kashampat Kangabam Lekai, Wahingbam Lekai, Sagolband Salam Lekai, Sagolband Thangjam Leirak, Sagolband Bijoy Govinda, Sagolband Ingudam Leirak, Sagolband Mantri Lekai, Tera Lokrakpam Lekai, Noremthong, Lamboy Kongnangkhong, Irishemba, Uripok Ningthokongjam, Lekai, Uripok Ahantem Lekai, Rims Road, Sangakfam, Chingmairong, Kongampat, Kashamthong, Kabui Village, Yai School, Moirangkhom, Singjamay, Khangempali and Nganapithong. Leaders of JCLPS, Amuko, UCM and others spoke against the bill during the protest meets. Band supporters blocked Tidim Road since early this morning. Volunteers of local clubs and Maira Paibis blocked the road in various places, preventing anyone from plying on the road except for religious ceremonies and emergencies. State police kept a strict vigil along the road. Business hubs of the state, namely Koramban Ima Market, Thangal Market and Pauna Market, remained shut down due to the 24-hour general strike against cab called by MANPAG. Band supporters even urged people to stay inside homes. Women vendors of Kakwa Market and local residents blocked National Highway 102 Imphal Moray Road in support of the 24-hour band called against the contentious bill. All vehicles were prevented from plying along the road except for medical emergencies, religious events and essential services. Band supporters also blocked the road at various places from Moirangkhom to Lilong. There is no report of any scuffle between band supporters and police personnel. The general strike against cab also had a huge impact on Imphal to Yaripok Road. Members of local clubs, Maira Paibi and students blocked roads and staged sit-ins against the contentious bill at various areas of Wangkai Keitel Ashangbi, Wangkai Puja Lampak, Wangkai Haraubam Leirak, Wangkai Tokpam Lekai, Wangkai Thangapad Mapal, Kongba Ketri Lekai, Kongba Uchekon. At the entrance of Standard College in Kongba, Bamon Kampu, Irilbung Kaitel, Irilbung Kabui Kul, Wangkai Ayangpali, Kongba Kaitel, Namthanpung Takiel, Langjing, Patsoy, and Sagolban areas. Protesters extended full support to all the movements initiated by Manpac. The 24-hour general strike against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 also affected Bishnupur district. Roads bore a deserted look except for a few private and emergency vehicles plying on it. Markets and shops remained shut down at Bishnupur, Moirang, Nambol, etc. The district police is maintaining a strict vigil to avoid unwanted incidents. People in Bishnupur district also took out protest meets at various places against CAP 2016 today. Manipur people against CAP 2016 organized public meetings against the bill at Oinam and Nambol. Speaking to Impact News, core committee member of the association Ningthaujam Lancha condemned the bill as against the Indian constitution. The general strike also cripples normal life in Thoubal district. Markets were closed, vehicles remained off the road, and educational institutions remained shut down. Protest meets were carried out at Thoubal Thongkhong, Haukha Bazar, Haukha Haibi Makhong, Charangpat, Lakshmi Bazar, and Haukha Bazar Community Hall in the district. The 24-hour general strike against Citizenship Amendment Bill is going on full swing in Moreh town of Technopal district. Vehicles remained off the road and all private and government offices, schools, colleges, banks, shops and markets remained shut down today. Shutters were all down even for business hub Namphallong Market till Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gate number 2. Meitei Council Moreh and all community development organization Moreh expressed strong condemnation of the bill. The general strike also affected Jiribam district. Jiri Market, Lamlong Market and roads in the district bore a deserted looks. All government and private offices, educational institutions and even banks were closed. Vehicles remained off the roads except for a few vehicles on emergency. Sit-ins against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 were held across Imphal city amid the ongoing 24-hour general strike. Local residents protested at Chingmairong, Thangmaiban, Nagamapal. Volunteers of Women's Society of Chingmairong Kabui village staged a protest meet in the village, while Maira Paibis of Chingmairong Maning Mamang staged a sit-in opposite to Eastern Motors in Chingmairong. Thau Maira Paibis and Dimdai Jang Women's Society staged a sit-down at Thangmaiban Thau ground. Thangmaiban Ima Kuthong Hanbi, Maira Paibi Loop and UVA Club also protested, chanting various slogans against the bill today. Residents of Irong Chesaba Lekai, Singjamai Wangma, Bagyabati Lekai, Tianshubam Lairak Machin, Kurai Ningthau Bung Lekai, Sawambung, Wangoi Ketil and Saram village in Imphal West staged sit-ins against CAP 2016. People also carried out protests at Hatta and Komidog Market in Imphal East. Residents of Sagolmang Bazar, Yumnam Patlaw and Khewa Company of Imphal East District also staged sit-ins against CAP 2016 today. Brahmapur Laipubam Lekai Maira Paibi Loop and Brahmapur Chingkham Lekai Maira Paibi Loop jointly protested CAP. Various slogans against the bill were chanted during the protest meet. Maira Paibis and Young Friends Union Club of Haubam Marakasham Lekai also jointly staged a sit-in against CAP 2016 at the club complex today. The protesters chanted various slogans and blocked half of Mayai Lambi. Chingkham Laikai Nupi Chowkatloop also staged protest meet and blocked the road against the bill today. Maira Paibis of 4 localities, namely Kongpal, Iranpam, Thongkhong, Kongpal, Khaidem Laikai, Kongpal, Nauroibam Laikai, Kongpal, Kongkham Laikai and Kongpal Khetri Laikai also staged a sit-in against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 at Kongpal, Iranpam, Thongkhong today. Protesters chanted various slogans against the bill during the protest meet. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar has stated that NPP, along with other regional political parties of Northeast states, is all ready to meet the Prime Minister and the President before Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 is produced in Rajya Sabha. On the other hand, the Deputy Chief Minister said no intimation came forth regarding the state team who left for Delhi concerning CAB 2016. Speaking to media on the current upheavals in the state this afternoon, Yumnam Joy Kumar stated that a meeting was held for all the regional parties of Northeast states over the bill on January 29 and resolved to stand against the bill, following which an appointment was obtained to meet Prime Minister and President in a couple of days. He assured of befitted actions if the bill is ever passed in the Rajya Sabha. Nagaland Chief Minister Tia Zelieng, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joy Kumar will attend the meet.
Update to the I should touch later. Be in Sacrabanina, Mana Dum Toga, Dum Canatori. I call you number on the Tonga, Namana Plan, Canada, Tang, Kumapenda, Convention, Amapambedo. The entire Canogat Nordiski, regional party, Maru, regional party, Sarka, usually 5 o'clock the Yoriba, Aduma, Punjelaga, quite Pidam, Lum in the Senate, I am strong over pay uploader. Pass on the Togita, then will take a decision. I will take a call as the Queen Land can so I can do or this maybe would definitely become political. I team with you, Nasai, Chaki Kamudo, Adu Paulo Dreva. More important for we site, we see nor skip all regional important regional party group of Masalaga Unabaisha. That is the important Adu Island. Minimum Jimon said the Lokshan and Adu longer evening. The possible bills introduced of the low chain bill introduced organ Nagra Matung the day, then it may become counterproductive. Adu give you delay. Adu Yamako to the long morning.
Meanwhile, Maira Paibis and residents of Waripok state sit-ins and took out protest rally against the bill. Police halted the rally soon after it passed Cherab Court near Overbridge. After some heated confrontation with the police, the protesters were forced to retreat. The protesters then stormed the residence of Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar at Waripok Polem Laikai. The Deputy Chief Minister pacified the protesters upon his arrival.
Citizen Amendment Bill asina maram oraga Manipur yauna Northeast Labour Praja singda lairiba yalhomi singse mutki keda haibaga akiba dong asisu yamna chawna lairi ngasi maksu bill asigi mayokta Manipur pumbada kaugiba pongkumari ki general strike sina maram oraga mafam kaya da general strike chogat pamioi kyana paksana tholoktuna general strike pu chogatuna yaning da phongdok le asugumba phima masida karigumba da hairiba bill asi Rajya Sabha da pass tawgiba taragadi Manipur yauna Northeast state singda mairik bidagi maijawbi tholaktuna thoganingda thodok wathok kaya akiba phangnon na lakadra haibase hangningai oibu wahanga moire cameraman Biswarjit kaloinal paudum jariba ai isamak git mite Impact TV News Impal.
Maira Paibis of Kwakatel, Moirangpurel today stormed the residence of Minister Langkulakon Jenta Kumar at Pishum in agitation against CAB 2016. The women protesters rallied through Kwakaitel Nganapithong towards the minister's residence. Unfortunately, the women folks could not meet with Minister Jenta Kumar as he was out of station to attend a cultural program in Thailand. The women protesters chanted various slogans condemning the bill at the minister's courtyard. Manipur University Student Union Musu also staged protest meet against CAB 2016, holding various placards in front of the university gate today. Widespread protest rallies were carried out in Manipur Valley as part of the ongoing 24-hour general strike against CAP 2016 today. 9 political parties, namely CPI, CPIM, Praja, BSP, NCP, RSP, All India Forward Bloc, Janata Dal S and Aam Aadmi Party jointly staged a sit-in and carried out protest rally against the contentious bill today. Representatives of the 9 political parties started the protest rally from Irrawaddy Bhavan. Police routed the rally back to Irrawaddy Bhavan via Kangla Western Gate Road and Kharamban Market. Taking part in the protest, State Secretary of CPI, Manipur State Council, L. Sotin Kumar, alleged Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led government of torturing the public. He termed CAP as a communal bill which is against Article 15 of the Indian Constitution. Sotin Kumar expressed apprehension over possible extinction of indigenous inhabitants of Northeast states once the bill is enacted into an act. He warned of intense agitations until the bill is withdrawn. Volunteers of local clubs and Mairapaibis of Kashamthong Laishom Leirak, Moirang Ningthau Leirak, Ahaibam Leirak, Top Leirak, Janmashthan and Yashkul staged sit-ins against the bill today.
Party mapan kan taksali madudi citizenship amendment bill se handou haiba warep loksi haiba matamda Sri Biren gi sarkar na miyam no moithem tobu yana bu dama close ama hapsal halaga Manipur soktana bo afam thamaga maduda chanhan ba yagani haiba maduda kangit yetlaga lei citizenship amendment bill se pass tor matungda mapandagi lakpa foreigner mayam Indian citizenship pigra matungda Bharat ki chap chap nagarik ama oigraga Bharat ki citizen amana Manipur de changi hai matamda kayam kuina thingmangam godori bano moina Manipur de Assam the Sangba, Meghalaya the Laningba, Moji Kusini, Madugi right lay, Madugi right the Roka Payaroi, Adobo, Manipur gave a close on Hapsalakanda, Madusanan, Gani, Hivawapama Sebasi, Angaboani, Baro the Sarkar Pariba, BJP Langak, Maduna Lorokpa, Warep Ado, Ekoi State, Sarkar, and Madug Mayok, the Warep Lovatarbadi, Ekoi BJP Sarkarni, Madamaduna Center Sarkar, Mayok, Ekoi Tingaba, Mamoy, Hivawapama Siam Ikai.
Students from Manipur and other Northeast states studying at Punjab University in Chandigarh protested the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 at the university's Student Center today. Student protesters used various placards that read, "Seal Indo-Bangladesh border, don't try to colonize us, we stand against CAP, down, down Hindutva, Northeast is not a playground of Delhi," etc. and also chanted slogans condemning the bill. The protest meet was jointly carried out by Manipur Student Association Chandigarh, MSA, All India Students Association AISA, Northeast Students Forum Punjab University, Assam Students Union ASU, Student for Society SFS, Student Federation of India SFI, Chandigarh Mizo Union CMU, Kuki Student Organization KSO, Sikkim Student Association SSA, Tripura Student Union TSA, Zaliangrong Student Union Chandigarh ZSUC and Ladakhi Student Association Chandigarh LSSAC. Volunteers of Indian Youth Congress from the Northeast states, including IYC President, protested against CAP 2016 in New Delhi today. The Youth Congress team from Manipur, led by its President Amir Hussain, took out a protest march. Ningombam Bhupenda Meitei of All India Congress Committee in Fishermen Congress from Manipur also took part in the protest. Speaking to media, Bhupenda alleged Prime Minister Narendra Modi and BJP of trying to destroy the indigenous people of the Northeast India. He said youths and the Congress will fight to prevent the bill from becoming an act. Many youth Congress leaders from the region took part in the protest. Delhi police detained many protesting youth Congress members at Mandir Marg police station. Advisor of Youth Club Namthanpung Boys Com urged the relevant authority to construct retaining walls of Imphal River instead of distributing rice and sugar after floods. 6 clubs of Imphal East staged a protest meet against non-completion of retaining walls at Namthanpung near Sanjenthong today. The 6 clubs are Citizens Club, Shoibam Laikai, Eastern Students Club, Nongmaibung, while United Youth Club Wangkai, New Chekon Youth Club, New Lambulen Welfare Association and Joint Community Development Committee Namthanpung. It may be mentioned that the retaining wall of Namthanpung along Imphal River bank was ruined in last year's flood. Speaking to media, Boyscom drew the attention of the Chief Minister to complete construction of the retaining walls, which began after he inspected the area after floods. Boys warned of intense agitation, including blocking of road, if the work is not resumed within 10 days. After the meet, the 6 clubs also submitted a memorandum to Chief Minister Nongthongpa Biren on the same.
Honorable CM da memorandum submit toraga atuba ultimatum ama toraga nongju thana laktringai matamda sembi ningai damakta khoi sumbagi mifam ma khoi phamjabani khoi amuk hanna khoi ising chawraga kilo 5 yen ba dal kilo ma yem da khoi pamjadre sarkar na mi si mi yeng biraga mi tara gi manungda masi semjin mi nongju thana laktringai amuk hanna khoi property mangdaba adumba nungaina yaifana panba du oi sunu haibagi adum mifam khoi phamjabani ha sigi mifam sena khoi tanaraga karamba khoi gi area da Imphal is particularly khoi sumba nongmaibung angom lekai chaliba swim lekai chablambi si thingjinba phawbada dharna toba yaba aduguma democratic agitation tawgani habagi ngasi sumagi public meeting ama khoi chachajari.
Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you an exclusive report on the messiness at Hapta Kangjibung after the recent 70th Republic Day celebration. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Hapta Kangjibung in Palace Compound has become a mess after the recent 70th Republic Day celebration. Impact News reporter RC Mangangcha and camera person Sapam Henry bring you an exclusive report.
State government and various associations utilize Hapta Kangjibung ground in Palace Compound for holding various events. Tableaus of various departments for displaying in the recent 78th Republic Day celebration were also prepared on the ground. However, failure to clean up the ground rendered the ground messy, leaving it a sore sight.
Tableauing asina sakhairamiba poche mayamse sidi amata lotion miramde aduna hoji si ngo yengda kam thire.
Leftover paint bottles, papers, plank, etc. used in making the tableaus have filled the ground, which is eventually spreading on the nearby road. Unfortunately, relevant authority and departments concerned after utilizing the ground failed to carry out any cleanliness drive yet.
Lampa asiri sakhairi ba phata haudi mayam asina mafam asida walking chesari ba ahal oirba amadi na hauriba kaya asigi ngaktang pothabam oiba matamda nusin ang humagtana heraja raibudu oiba hebudu thogani
sarmiba department jingduna moi masa na togera nekera lotion biba ma sangi yamna athu matamda sengdok pidana lunu nana thamba lampa hama du ohen bi natraga di mayamgi miyeng mong orisi yengda nungai jadi.
Imphal Municipal Corporation, assigned with the responsibility to keep Imphal city neat and clean, is unaware to the situation at hand. Such lack of civic sense and careless conduct of the departments concerned and relevant authorities left many passerby discontented. Meanwhile, works are going on full swing for Manipur to host the 3rd World Bamboo Workshop for the first time in India on the ground from February 4 to 8. Mess on the ground definitely needs to be cleaned up before the workshop.
Hairiba jaga asidi chana lepak Manipur sigi miyangpham oiriba mafam amani mari lenaba government gi department sing duna angamba thak jamasi thu namak khenglu piduna khoi leiruba praja mayam china miyangpham oiriba mafam asibu luna nana len basi khoi pamjai.
Republic Day pangthokhiba numit mangani suraro phawboda hariba mafamsida chari polop sing asi mari leneba department sing aduna lokhatuna dorshan khomjemagi mami udri machina marum oiraga hariba lampa asi hena masak thian madana tana yengda yamne phajadaba amasu oiri lubuna nabagi damo paikhaliba swas barak kumba mission kya paikhacharbusu hariba Manipur lenga ki department sing asigi lujadaba thong asina kadai phawba makoina miyang gi damukta lun nanabagi thabuk thorom sing paikhatpage haibagi wahang mo oiri. Camera person Sapam Henry Galonera Pogdum Zariba RC Mangangcha Impact News Hatai Kangjibung Imphal.
Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences Imphal TNI in a press release informed that its proposed 2 days mass casual leave was deferred in view of the ongoing MBBS university examination. Jennings TNI stated that the mass casual leave might resume on February 4. MLA Khangabok O Surya Kumar has inaugurated Uyal Water Supply Scheme for providing 24-hour water supply to local residents. PHED Thobal Division and Uyal Huangbal Gram Panchayat jointly organized the inaugural event at Panchayati Ghar in Uyal yesterday. PHED Thobal Division took up the construction of the first ever 24/7 water supply scheme of Thobal district at Uyal Hill in Khangabok constituency. General Secretary of United Youth Organization Lang Dumin in a press release drew the attention of the relevant authority to complete repair of the road from Irilbung Bridge to Yaripok along Imphal-Yaripok Road, considering the plights facing the people. Agitators against transfer of under Deputy General Manager of MSPDCL Jiribam Boro Bekra Subdivision suspended their proposed shutdown of Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited Jiribam from February 1st. Speaking to media at Jiri News Network JNN press conference hall today, President of Women Association for Socio-Economic Development WASED and Nivarani intimated that Myra Paibis have given a deadline of February 15 as requested by Jiribam MLA Muhammad Ashabuddin to decide on the matter. She warned of intense agitations along with civil society organizations of Jiribam if their demand is not met on time. Assam Rifles seized contraband drugs worth around 1 crore 92 lakh rupees. PRO Assam Rifles in a press release informed that Technopol Battalion of 26th Sector under the aegis of IGAR South seized 64,000 WY tablets from a silver-colored Hyundai Centro Zinc bearing registration number MN04A2733 at permanent checkpost Kudingthabi yesterday. The drug smuggler is identified as Lun Khomang Haukip, 31 years from Tuibong of Churatanpur district. He was handed over to Narcotics Central Bureau Imphal for further investigation. Now the sports news. SDC Thobal bagged the championship title of the 20th State Level Open Devla Memorial Trophy Tennis Ball Cricket Tournament 2019. Blooming Athletics and Sporting Union BASU Khangabok organized the tournament at the club's ground since January 6. In yesterday's final match, SDC Thobal beat KCC Khangabok 51 runs. Winners were awarded with a trophy and cash award of 35,000 rupees, while the runners-up were felicitated with a trophy and a cash award of 25,000 rupees. Biteshwar of SDC Thobal backed man of the series title. Bishorjit backed the man of the match title. Marup FC Hairok will play against PYPC Pungdongbam in the final match of the 3rd Pupu Cup State Level Under-17 Boys Football Tournament on February 3. In yesterday's match for the 3rd place of the football tournament played at Pungdongbam Playground in Lamlai, SRB FC Nongdam beat KFC Kurai 6-1. For the winners, Ronaldo scored 2 goals at 8 and 20th minutes. Novet scored 2 goals at 13th and 40th minutes, while Ramananda and Uttam scored 1 goal each at the 12th and 34th minutes of the match. 16 teams divided into 4 groups participated in the tournament organized by the Paradise Union Pungdongbam since January 9. Sanakhya Ahan Loop Development Committee felicitated Gunau Luangtem, silver medalist of Junior Mr. India 2019 at its office in Purana Rajbari Part 1. Gunau Luangtem bagged the silver medal in under 70 kg category of Junior Mr. India 2019 held at Meerut in Uttar Pradesh. It may be mentioned that Gunau bagged a gold medal in under Junior 17 kg category of the 7th Mr. Khamba 2018. General Secretary of All Manipur Gymnastics Association in a press release notified that the state-level aerobic and artistic gymnastics championship will be held from February 9 to 11. The championship under the aegis of All Manipur Gymnastics Association will be held for various categories of 3rd aerobic and 48th sub-junior, junior and senior men's and women gymnastics at the indoor stadium of Kuman Lampak Sports Complex. Interested gymnasts may apply within February 3. Board of Control Cricket in India, BCCI, provided equipments to Manipur Cricket Association for construction of cricket pitch and ground fill. BCCI agreed to set up 4 new cricket grounds in Manipur following attainment of full BCCI membership by Manipur Cricket Association. BCCI provided the equipments for the first phase under its new area development program with an aim to produce good players from the state. The equipments for upgrading cricket grounds of the state to international level reached Imphal on January 19. Toro Company North East Area Manager Prashant Bishwal handed over the equipments worth around 91,53,286 rupees to officials of Manipur Cricket Association during an event held at Luang Pokpa Cricket Stadium, Luang Shangbam on January 29.
This is your graden. It's called verticutter. It cuts the grasses vertically. This machine is called GR1600, Greensmaster 1600. This is basically used for pitch. Procore 648, this model is. Basically, we use this machine for aerating the ground. Like if your ground is compacted, then you can release compact by this machine. This is your 3250, Greensmaster 3250. This is a bigger machine. As well, you can compare that machine. The same function, but the width of cut is more than that.
Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. President Ramnath Kovind asserts CAP 2016 is to ensure justice to persecuted minorities of Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan. Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh assures to all political party team of Manipur that CAP will not harm Manipur. "24-hour general strike called by Manipur people against Citizenship Amendment Bill (MANPAG) affects normal life in Manipur." CAP 2016 protesters tried to storm residences of Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joykumar and Health Minister L. Jayantakumar. And 9 political parties, including CPI, CPIM and Praja, staged sit-in and take-out protest rally against CAP 2016.